Hey everyone, today we're going to be doing the July BoxyCharm base box unboxing. I'm really excited for this month's box. I haven't seen anything from spoilers for this month's box, so if you want to see my unboxing of this, just keep watching. BoxyCharm did send this box to me in exchange for doing an unboxing, so thank you so much, BoxyCharm. I'm always down for unboxing, but know that I always give my honest opinions on products, so never worry about that. I will tell you if a product is bad or not. So no worries there, but I did have to say that BoxyCharm did send me this video, so I wanted to let you guys know that. Okay, I'm so excited. So I haven't seen any of the products. We're just gonna go in blind. I don't even know status. Ooh, okay. I'm not gonna look at what the back of the card says, but that's giving me tropical vibes, which wow, this is making so much noise. The first product I see is a Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream. I'm always down for moisturizing creams, so I'm really happy with this. Kate Somerville is supposed to be a really good brand as well, so I'm always down to try that, so I'm excited. The next product is Stack the Odds Multi-Use Face Stacker 3 Cream Shades to Play, Highlight, Blush, and Contour. So I'm gonna open this up. It's vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, and sulfate-free, and we're gonna see what this looks like. So the packaging seems really sleek. It's like, you know, like a stack, so you literally just, it's nothing revolutionary. Those are really cute though. I feel like the highlighter would be too dark, but so that's the highlighter, and then the blush, and then the bronzer. I like the blush and bronzer, so I will definitely be giving those a try. The next product I see is this BFC Beauty for Certain. I think this is a whole lot of mascaras. I'm always down for new mascaras. I do wish that they would have given me a different product than a mascara, because right now I have enough, and I would rather not get mascaras box after box. I think once every 2 months getting mascaras would be better, but that's just me personally. But I'm always down for a black mascara, so that's just gonna literally go into my backup mascara pile. Next thing I see is a box. So this is the last box. This is Jacques Blanc Glow Drops, so highlighting primer for face. Okay, cool. I haven't tried any glow drops for like a long time, so we're gonna see if these are gonna be a shade that works for me or not, because who knows. Vegan, cruelty free, as it should be. This is Rose Pearl. Glow drops prep and brighten your complexion, blah blah blah. Let's see what this looks like. So this is what it looks like. I do think it's like a little bit, it has a little bit of like a tint, a very very tiny tint, but for the most part it is literally just gonna give like a glow to the skin. So I'm very intrigued about this product and I'm excited to try it. The last product we have is this, the Beauty Crop. I think these are liquid eyeshadows, like a matte and metal Huda Beauty sort of vibe, but probably a bit cheaper. This is in the shade Cinnamon and Fudge, which, I mean, hello, looks like cinnamon and fudge. So this is what the final product looks like swatched. It's really pretty. These haven't dried down yet, but they're in the process of drying. They look really pretty. They have like a very very soft scent. I can't really pinpoint if it smells like anything, but they're pretty. These aren't my favorite types of products. I just prefer using like eyeshadows and stuff, but stuff like this are really easy to use. You can usually buff out the mattes pretty easily, and then the shimmers, you know, you just put them on the lid and then you're ready to go. I find products like this crease on me, so I'm gonna have to try this and see how it is. Let me know down below what your favorite product is from this month's box. I'm pretty happy with it. I'm very excited, probably the most for the Goat Milk Moisturizer. I'm just always down for like a moisturizer, and since there isn't an eyeshadow palette this month, I'm down for a moisturizer, so I'm very happy. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure you subscribe, comment down below any videos you'd like to see me do. Go follow my Instagram and TikTok, Makeup by Tasha XO, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. BoxyCharm, blah blah blah.